Hi, welcome back to UA Technical Solutions. This is a bridge rectifier. It is built by connecting 4 diodes in series. It is most commonly used in electronic boards to convert AC current into DC current. 2 legs are for AC input and 2 legs are to deliver DC output. Let's learn how to test a bridge rectifier. To start, set the multimeter on diode mode, as shown in the diagram below. Leg 1 is positive. Leg 2 is AC input, leg 3 is negative and leg 4 is AC input. Put negative pin of meter on leg 1 and positive on leg 2 and you should get a voltage drop as shown. Now move the positive pin of meter to leg 4 and you should get the reading as shown. Next step is to put positive pin of meter on leg 3 and negative pin of meter on leg 4 and leg 2. And you should get almost same results as shown. As per results, it's a good SMD bridge rectifier. Please note, while performing these steps, if you notice any beep sound from the meter, that means there is a short circuit and the bridge rectifier is faulty. Thanks for watching. Please let us know in the comments section the topics of your choice to make this channel more relevant to you.